Hi there, students. Detritus. Okay, detritus, an uncountable noun. Let's see, when we use things, they're normally bits of rubbish that remain. So, I ate my sandwich and then cleared the detritus of my sandwich from the plate, the little crumbs that had fallen down. So detritus, it talks about the little bits of rubbish that are still there after something has happened, after the event has occurred. Yeah. Um, so I could see the kids had been here by the detritus that they left, the debris, the fragments of things that still remained. Okay, so waste material, rubbish, especially left after an event. So yeah, the stadium was covered with the detritus of the football match on the previous day. Let's see, you go for a walk in the wood or a forest, and there are leaves and all sorts of bits and pieces that fall to the ground. Yeah, all of this is the detritus at the bottom of the forest. Yeah, it's loose, decaying material. The detritus breaks down into very lovely soil. Yeah, they also use this word detritus in geology. It's talking about loose pieces of rock that have been worn away by the wind, they've been eroded by the weather, by the rain, by freezing and uh, thawing. Okay, but we use detritus meaning the leftovers, the small things that have been left over, that have fallen on the ground, the rubble, the dust, the scrap, the loose stuff. Okay, so yeah, the detritus of war. Yeah, you can see that in our in the news all the time. Just broken things left here and there, bits of rubble, bits of rock, and that's the idea of detritus. What is left over, the small particles. Um, so yes, you could use this maybe even metaphorically as well. Things left over. So maybe some of the old customs are the detritus of what was left from our former times, the detritus of our past. Okay. Um, Okay, yes, I drilled a hole in the piece of wood and then knocked out the detritus, the sawdust, the shavings, the things that were left. Um, I could see the kids had been playing in the living room because there was a detritus of toys all over the place. Okay, so detritus, it's a really good word. Um, anything left over that's been broken or used up. Yeah. So formality, detritus. I think this is a great word. The leftover bits. I think I would give it what I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Maybe use it in an informal conversation. I think it would sound better in a semi-formal conversation. A great word to use in your semi-formal writings. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, detritius, something that's been rubbed away, from deterro, to rub away. Yeah, so you rub something away and the detritus falls to the ground. Yeah, at a wedding, people throw rice or confetti. So maybe after a wedding, somebody's got to pick up or clear away the detritus from the wedding, all the bits that have been left behind, that are left over on the ground. Okay, so detritus, an uncountable noun. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Detritus.